Jewelry can be beautiful, but it can say something too. Something empowering, healing, and grounding. I have designed a unique line of pieces where nature's most basic elements are transformed into stunning accessories meant to celebrate life and the world around us. My inspiration comes from my love of travel, scuba diving, and the challenges of everyday life. Using techniques that I have acquired at the Budapest Art Institute, I create one-of-a-kind bracelets, pendants, and earrings by pairing silver, pearl, carnelian, turquoise, and seashell. If you cherish handmade, unique, and meaningful pieces, Gogh Jewelry Design is for you. Each of our pieces are inspirational and one-of-a-kind, and proudly made with love in California.